So first the hair was combed out, and then the first few parts were made. Then, as you can see, the customer hands out the hair to the lady and she just gets it done. So you go on and on and on and on from row to row to row to row to the next row to the row to 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 row, box by box to row 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 to row, box by box to row to row to row to row to row. To row, 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 to row. Over here we get to the middle, right? And we continue to row, to row, to row, to row, to row, to row. She keeps parting to row, to row, to row, to row. At this point, you can see that she's very tired. She's had enough. Look at the position she's in. She switched up positions just to get the perfect install. Yeah, so from here we go on to row, to row, to row, to row, to row, to row, up until she finishes every single box up. And there we have it.